How to build a step-by-step AI strategy that works. Hi there, I'm Amanda Bennett from AIBusinessStrategist.org. Have you ever heard the saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail? That's true for a lot of things, especially when it comes to AI. AI can do amazing things, for businesses especially. It can help you find new customers, save time, and even make sales while you sleep. But here's the thing, AI only works if you have a strategy. If you don't have a clear plan, you might waste money on tools that don't actually help your business. So today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step AI strategy that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to start and what to do next. Are you ready? Let's go. Step 1. Find your biggest business challenge. Before you even think about AI, you need to ask yourself, what's my biggest problem in my business right now? Forget AI, just think of what is the actual problem. AI is a tool, not a magic wand. If you don't know what the problem you're trying to solve, AI won't be much help. Here are some common business challenges, just to get your mind thinking about it. Is your challenge that it's not enough customers? Because AI can help you with marketing and lead generation. Or is your problem too many customer questions? AI chatbots can answer them automatically. Or is it spending too much time on emails? AI can send smart, personalized emails for you. Or maybe it's trouble keeping up with the inventory. AI can track stock and predict what you need. Your first AI tool should solve your biggest challenge, not something random. Step 2. Pick the right AI tools. Once you know what problem to solve, it's time to choose the right AI tools. Here are some great beginner-friendly AI tools. For finding new customers, you can use AI-powered ads like Facebook lookalike audiences or Google Smart Bidding, and these can target the right people for your business. For customer support, AI chatbots like Tidio or Drift can answer customer questions 24/7, so you don't have to. For email automation, AI tools like Klaviyo or ActiveCampaign can send smart emails based on what customers are interested in. For inventory tracking, AI tools like Zoho Inventory can predict what products you need and when. You don't need all of them at once. Just pick one that will make the biggest difference right now. Step 3. Set up and test it. Now that you've chosen your AI tool, it's time to set it up. Most AI tools come with easy tutorials to help you get started. But here's the most important thing. Don't just turn them on and forget about it. You need to test how it works in your business. For example, if you set up an AI chatbot, check if it's answering questions correctly. If you run AI-powered ads, look at the results. Are you getting the right kind of customers? Are they converting? Or if you use AI for emails, see how many people are actually opening and clicking and responding and so forth. The first version of your AI strategy, it just won't be perfect. It never is. And that's okay. Just make small changes and improve as you go. Step 4. Automate and let AI do the work. Once AI is working the way you want, let it run on its own. One of the biggest benefits of AI is that it saves you time by automating tasks. For example, AI can automatically send emails when customers leave products in their cart. AI can adjust ads in real time to get better results. And AI can track your best-selling products and remind you when to restock. With AI handling the repetitive work, you get more time to focus on growing your business. Step 5. track results, and improve. AI learns over time, but you still need to check in and make sure it's working the way you want it to. Ask yourself, is AI saving me time? Is AI helping me get more sales? Are my customers happier? If the answer is yes, great! If not, adjust your strategy and try new settings or tools. If the businesses that succeed with AI are the ones that keep improving on their strategy over time. And that goes to all business, or every area of your business. Improving it over and over time gives you something, it gives you a business that is really thriving. So let's look at real life examples. AI strategy in action. A small business owner I worked with was spending hours answering customer emails and manually sending discount codes to people who didn't buy. We set up an AI chatbot to answer common questions and used AI-powered email automation to send special offers to customers who left without buying. The results: 50% fewer emails to answer. Can you imagine getting half the emails you're getting now? Absolutely game changer for that owner. Over 30% more sales from customers who got reminder emails. And then they were gone without this. They were well and truly gone, and now they got 30% more sales from it. It's just mind-boggling. And more time for the business owner to focus on the growth. That's what I always wanted in my businesses, so I'm sure that's what you want in yours. And that is the power of a simple AI strategy. So my final thoughts: start small, grow big. Let's recap. Step 1, find your biggest challenge. Step 2, pick an AI tool that solves that challenge. Step 3, set up and test it. Step 4, automate so AI works for you. And 5, track your results and improve over time. AI isn't just for big companies. It's for anyone who wants to save time, grow faster, and work smarter. So what's the first part of your business you'd like to automate with AI? Let me know in the comments. And if you need any help with your AI strategy, get in touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.